Recently I had this problem on my car was declined on PayPal, and the arrow looks like this. Now the arrow looks kind of like this. Now I didn't take the screenshot when I had this problem, of course, because I just forgot, but I found like a screenshot from the internet, and it looks like this. And I know it's very annoying when you get this problem, you get your card declined. So I'm going to try to help you to show you how you can fix your card was declined on PayPal. So now also found, while I was searching to fix my problem, I found this page on PayPal. Why was my customer's credit card declined? But then I learned there are actually a few things to check. First, you have to make sure all the info you entered in PayPal for your card, number, expiration date, billing address, exactly the same as what's on your physical card and bank statement. Because on the bank statement, I actually put the wrong number there, and that was the issue for me one time. The second time, any types you cause this will cause a decline. And second, your bank might have put you on temporary hold on the transaction, especially for online purchase. Just call them and let them know you're trying to use your card with PayPal, and then they can usually remove the hold right away. And third, is there enough money in your PayPal account to cover the cost? If not, you'll need to add more funds before using your card. So actually their third issue was my problem. I actually didn't have enough funds on my PayPal, on my account. So that's what I had to do. I had to add more funds in my card, okay? Just add more funds and your problem will be fixed. And that's what you have to do. And if you still have this problem, you can also try to use PayPal's customer support, but I don't know if that will work. But that's it. I hope you found this helpful. I hope one of the 3 methods here solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care, guys, and take care.